Hello po, namaste, kamusta? Bye vibes by Ugen. It has been 2 weeks since I haven't been posting my videos. I was busy with my schedule and all these things. Finally, I'm back. I hope you guys will be having very nice year next year, as December is about to end. The festive vibes, the New Year vibes. So I hope you guys enjoy your New Year, your Christmas, and by the way, Merry Christmas. So today I came in a store where I was trained, as a barista, as a new joiner. I came in this store. I don't know anything about Starbucks that time. It was like last year, starting of the year. So I was a new joiner. It feels good to be back here as a shift in charge. It brings a lot of memories working over here. Anyway, I'll be showing you guys how the ambient is here. Before that, I would like to introduce my friend. Her name is Rose, and she's from the Philippines, and she'll be conducting a coffee tasting with you all, so that you will know a little bit about the rituals that's the ritual that we are doing in Starbucks. So I will let her conduct a coffee tasting for you guys, and hope you guys will enjoy and go along with the coffee tasting.
Good afternoon! Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Rose Andribas. I am your partner for today, and I'm gonna do a wonderful coffee tasting. In a Starbucks, we're doing a coffee tasting. It is because that is our culture. Aside from that, for all of us to have a meaningful and knowledgeable connection, we're gonna do a coffee tasting using a French press and one of our core coffee beans, Ethiopia, which I can tell you, where did everything begin? In doing a coffee tasting, we need to follow the 4 fundamental brewing methods, which is proportion, grind size, water, and freshness. In proportion, we need to make sure that the water in the coffee beans that we're using is accurate, which is in 54 course grind size of coffee beans is diluted to 980 ml hot water. The next one is the grind size of the coffee beans. The grind size, we need to make sure that every time the grind size that we're using is coarse grind size. Because if we will use the espresso grind size, we can even have a very fruitful and wonderful cup of coffee. The third one is the water. Of course, we need to make sure that the water that we're using is clean, away from impurity, and hot, which is range 90 to 96 degrees Celsius. It is because if we will use cold water, of course, we can drink a very wonderful cup of coffee, guys. Fourth is the freshness of the coffee. Okay, freshness of the coffee, we're talking about the coffee that we already made. We can use this coffee like 10 to 20 minutes. But if you put the coffee in a cafe thermal, additional 10 more minutes, partners. Now, I did tell you the 4 fundamental brewing method. Let's start again the steps in coffee tasting. But before of that one, smile with me, partners, for this coffee tasting to become more wonderful. In doing a coffee tasting, we need to timer. Okay? Smell the coffee. First, I will put in a cup. The smelling the coffee, we need to make it like this. Hold, cover, a little bit wiggle. Exhale, inhale. Inhaling this coffee and like this in this moment, we can take the proper aroma of this coffee. For me, the aroma of this coffee is chocolatey and citrusy. Maybe because of the growing region. Yes! Starbucks coffee have 3 types of growing region, which is Asia Pacific, Latin America, and Africa. This coffee giving us a hint of citrusy. It means this one is came from Africa. Now, let's proceed to the slurping the coffee. In slurping the coffee, I need to make it, or we need to make it with a sound. Fantastic. Slurping the coffee with a sound make the coffee like 50% of air and 50% of coffee come in our mouth. Why? To avoid our tongue to be burned. Aside from that, to let the coffee aerate in our entire palate. If this coffee aerate in our entire palate, we can identify what kind of acidity this coffee give to us. For me, it's a medium acidity. Medium acidity, not high, not low. It's balanced. Why? It is because of the processing method. Again, we have a method that following the standard, the Starbucks. Like a wash method, semi-wash method, and dry, which is natural. True to the acidity of this one, I can tell that this coffee is washed method. Now I will make another slurp for me to identify the body of this coffee. Slurp with sip with me, partners. Medium body, well balanced, not high, not low. Again, it is because of the roasting profile. We're using 3 types of roasting profile: dark roast, medium roast, and blend roast. I will clearly tell you, partners, that this coffee is medium roast because the body is just well balanced. Like, you feel the moment of connection while sipping this coffee. Moment of connection with me. After that one, we have a food pairing. In food pairing, of course, we have 2 types: contrast or complementary, or what we call in other word, dominant or non-dominant. In doing this coffee tasting, you need to sip the coffee first. Take the food. And then again, sip the coffee. Of course, for us to identify if this coffee is matched to the food that we're taking. The sweetness of this almond croissant is barely, I can tell, well balanced. Not because I'm a food lover, partners, but it's really well balanced. Maybe you're confused why did I use Ethiopia for this coffee tasting, and why did I tell where did everything began. It is because the birthplace of our coffee is in Ethiopia. The proper fermentation of our coffee is in Yemen. From Yemen, it's spread in all over the world. As we see, there's Jabina and Sini here. It is because Starbucks want to give a tribute for the Ethiopian people. And then a silhouette of a young Ethiopian girl. Because in Ethiopia, they have a traditional belief that every youngest girl of the family will be the one who serve the coffee in the visitors. And serving a coffee like 3 times a day, which is morning, afternoon, and evening, which is we call tuna, abol, and baraka. Like happiness, happiness, contemplation, and blessing. Okay, partners, thank you so much. Once again, my name is Ann, and I'm your barista partner for today. Ganda! Pero sa akin yung dati.
Pero sa akin yung dati.
Ano na, kabayan? Like, share, and subscribe to Vibes by Eugen. Makikita mo mga kabayan sa Starbucks!